I got it. Do it again.
Come behind me, first. That was so exciting. Yeah.
I almost said Mommy, see if he does it to me. Here.
Wait.
He did take me.
Come on, Come, Victoria.
Don't just put your hands out and give him the option. Yeah.
Come on, Victoria.
Edmund, you want to go?
What? You little stinker! You little stinker! You stinker! You think that's? Oh, you think that's funny? You want to come to me? Here, come here. Come here. Come here. He's so cute. He shook it out. Come here. Come here. Come on.
Why you got it so close to his face?
Because I got his face up close. Come here, Mama. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh my gosh. Come here.
You won't do it because of that camera?